Hi everyone, I'm Noelle. I'm True Botanicals Facial Therapist, and I'm going to show you how I spring clean my pores with our Pacific Glacial Clay Detoxifying Mask. So this mask has glacial clay, it has some charcoal which gives it that color. We also put some squalene in here, so when you use this mask you're not going to dry out your skin. I love it because you can actually see your pores kind of clear up after using it. So I always like to start on my nose because that's where I'm most congested, especially through the forehead. And I always prep my skin before I use this mask with our resurfacing moisture mask to help exfoliate any dead surface cell. And you can see another video for step-by-step how I do that. And we'd love to see you guys in your own masks. So if you can tag True Botanicals for your at-home masking, we would love to see it. And so I'm gonna let this sit on my skin for about 15 minutes until it dries all the way. And then I'll show you my very clean pores after. Bye. So I've just taken off the clay mask and my skin feels so much brighter and cleaner than it was before. So now I'm just gonna finish up spring cleaning my pores with our Renew Nutrient Mist and misting that all over. And then following up with my favorite Pure Radiance oil. This is our clear Pure Radiance oil. It's gonna help continue decongesting my pores as it's moisturizing my skin. And that is how you spring clean your pores in just a couple steps.